Hi guys. So today we're going to be going to play. Why don't we play racing car? The super fun game. Okay. So this game you might know. So you might know this game. It's a lot like just driving to the highest score. So we're gonna try to beat 700. We got 15. Stay posted. Oh my gosh, it updated when I was gone. Why did I pause? If I can break my record, this video should hit subscribe. I dare you guys. If I break my record. Ah! Oh my gosh. I didn't break my record, but I really forgot what my, I think it's 780. Wow, okay guys, should we, if I break my record, you guys have to hit subscribe, okay? I just downloaded this game, I'm not that good. I used to play this long back ago. Here I am again. Oh my god. This game is, if you guys are thinking, this game is free to download and try for yourself. Why do I sound like Oh no, what's my record? Oh. 510, that's pretty nice. Okay, guys, I've got an idea, okay?
Good thing I have lots of.
How about,
I mean,
oh,
if a traveling person comes, yeah, I can buy it.
wait, what happened to the,
And look at this.
it's fine, we don't need volley. So if this game reaches, like, if this game reaches, maybe, let's just go simple this time.
That's okay, I got
20 likes, I will do one more of these.
Wow, why?
Well, I don't know what happened to the volume. There's something wrong. Well, it's fine. We don't really need much volume. It's just about
Come on.
racing. Oh my gosh, I nearly crashed it.
Stop playing and yeah. You can check out the other Roblox video I made of
So close, guys. Okay, guys, we had to break our we have to break my record.
And if you didn't see the flight simulator
Okay.
game, I say that
Come on. They really added a new update. I just played this 2 days ago and with oh my gosh, I am okay, guys. I am literally so bad at this game, but I am literally terrible at this. I'm so bad, but I'm still trying, guys. So, ah, jeez, you guys drive reckless. I don't. Oh, sometimes I do in the game, obviously. Meow, 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 meow. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh.
Swan, what are you doing? Everything else.
Oh, I shouldn't go there. Okay, guys, let's break my record. Subscribe if you think if I break my record. I know I said that, but just please.
Kia pitch. Okay.
This game is played. This game is super fun. It's
Guys, this was opening
super fun.
Now it's opening fast.
Oh my
Look
gosh,
how
these
fast.
guys are... Why did this guy put a brake when I
Did I say
come?
fat or fast? I think I said fast, yeah.
Meow.
Yes.
Wow, guys, I think I really might break my
Okay, guys, I have
record.
to be quiet for this moment.
Oh my gosh.
Well,
Oh, so close, guys.
background.
Let's see. You want to see a little hack?
Yes,
Oh, I hate it. Can I? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh. What do you do in this game? Sorry.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yes, go!
Oh,
Okay,
okay,
guys, this...
This is also,
Come on.
I
This
guess,
game takes
sorry,
like...
guys.
This game is like...
Come on, break already.
um,
One.
Wait, what happened to... Oh, am I gonna fall?
Yeah.
Sorry about the volume. I mean, I don't know if you guys can hear or it's something wrong. But if
Oh, guys, look how much I have. Look how much.
beep beep,
Let's try to break another. Come on, break. Now I'm being really silent this one.
meow 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 meow. I sound like it.
Well, the people in the back.
So close, so close. I nearly crashed. Oh my gosh. I should drive a bit more careful. Actually, no. Who drives careful in this game? These guys. I really am a bad driver. Oh my gosh. Oh, he can go. I just thought of something,
Oh, somebody.
but now I forgot.
Okay,
That's
bye,
sad.
Bye, 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 bye. Are you okay? This is not clickbaiting.
Let's.
I actually got that. Not clickbait. Okay.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
This is weird. That
Try downloading this game, guys. Try for yourself.
Whoa.
It's awesome.
Okay. We just play.
Except if you crash. Sometimes it gets like frustrating, but it's okay. Never give up. That's what I say. I mean, that's what everybody says. What did we read? The PC5 for? Okay. I'm not good. I don't know. Well, we're not stopping this video until I break my record. Well, I'm.
Oh,
Yeah.
actually. Look at this guys.
Come on, come on, come on.
Holy Gawker, tell me! Holy!
Meow. Oh, that's a weird truck.
Okay, this will take fast. No! Oh my gosh! Ow.
Go, go, go. Oh. Guys, my speed limit, I can't even check.
Oh
I'm
my
gonna
God.
really beat my records on. Oh, wow. My last.
What? Only three.
Was there something wrong with the car?
Only three pads. Oh, come on.
What did we get? 405. That's a good, like. Like-
This is so cool.
That's pretty good.
That's dope.
I might need a bit more practice in this game. Like, I just got it.
Nice. Guys, this is so much. Look how much.
Oh, wow.
Let's
It's.
see it. This does instant. Oh, this does instant. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video.
Guys, we are not.
Got
Okay.
these powerful pets. They are so insane. Like, these are so much insane.
Guys,
we
we're going to break my record, okay?
Guys,
Let's.
I have a 80 trillion pet and a 6
Okay.
trillion pet, a 6 trillion pet.
Wow, look how many cars are here. Wow.
Yeah, this is a lot and
I like
look at it. Just a small one.
literally.
See you next time, girl.
Oh.
Bye.
What happened? Why did noise come in there? Okay, guys, this is the last time we're gonna try this. This time I'm gonna put some. Actually, you know, just keep on going. Just keep on going. I'm not even touching the brakes, and it's like putting the. Sometimes glitches happen in this game, you know. Okay, guys, let's last
Oh, I'm
time.
done with my video. Honey Didi, now you're
Be
happy?
quiet, be quiet, be quiet.
Yep.
Okay, so oh my, these cars. Some of these guys do not have a driving license. Like they literally can't drive. I saw one car taking a turn in the middle of the road. I think, or I just said something.
Honey Didi, now you're happy?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Woohoo! I am Usain Bolt in the car.
Upload a video, okay, Honey Didi?
Okay. Today only, Mama date kita.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I'm Usain Bolt. I'm literally Usain Bolt in the car. Wow, look. Meow. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Do you guys think I can make it? Beep beep, beep beep. Oh my gosh, we're about to beat my record. Let's try to beat 704. Let's try. Guys, we were so close. Okay, guys, I think that's it for this video. Or let's just try one more time. Let's just try one more time, guys. I don't want to give up yet. Well, I am, but I mean, I'm not giving up literally. But maybe I can try next time because I don't know how I did that time, but I guess I'll do another day. Let's at least try to break 700. My score, as you can see in the top left, it says how much my score is. Each car I pass close, it gives me 15. Oh wow, I nearly crashed. I don't want to crash. 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 But I also don't want to sink while I crash. Does that make sense? Oh my gosh, I don't care now. Ah! Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Why you put your brake? It's the I mean, yes, you should, but there's literally nobody in front of you. Let's go, let's go. Guys, I actually think I might beat it. Imagine I like crash right here. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes! I think we beat it. Oh, we beat my record! Yes, I knew it I would. Let's just go until I crash. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, I beat my record. Yeah, woo. Leave a like on that because I beat my record. Oh my gosh. How far am I going to go, guys? Oh. Right when I said that I crashed. How convenient.
So much has changed. It's easy to.
Guys, I think that's enough for today's video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and actually, yeah. And have a good day. Bye, guys.